All right, I've had these kicking around for a while, not really knowing what to do with them. These are Street Glow car neon kits. Well, two of them are actually part of a kit, these two big ones. These other ones are just display pieces. They are Street Glow. I work at a car audio shop, and the manager actually gave me these. He used them in a display a while ago in the store, then he had them at his house or something, and then he gave them to me because he didn't use them anymore. But they are all Street Glow. There's all different colors here. I'm going to go through them. They're all in pretty good shape. These ones over here, though, are a little messed up. But that's okay. They still work just fine. I tested all of them. These are all the working ones. This one here said lava. I think that says lava neon. I think this is orange. I know there's like an orange one, a bunch of purples, and a couple other things. Yeah, they're all Street Glow. You can see they all have that. This one over here actually doesn't, though. Probably something different, but yeah, most of them are Street Glow. That's a Street Glow. That one there's a Street Glow. There's one that's not. But I'm going to kill the lights, and I'm going to start plugging these in and showing you what they look like. All right, so here are the two big ones. These are both purple. They look kind of white on camera, but they are totally purple. Let me get a better shot from up here. Turn out, yeah, there you go. Now you can definitely see that is purple. These are really bright, actually. They have like a chroming on the back to kind of make them more reflective. They are not LED, they are actual neon tubes, and they are pretty cool. They are very bright. You can look up, it's kind of illuminating up there a little bit, not too much though. But yeah, no, these are crazy bright. On to the next ones. All right, so here's a little no-namer. This one is kind of cool. It's mostly purple. And when I actually first turned it on, it was kind of different colors. The middle was more pink and the edges were more blue. But it's been on for a little bit, and it's definitely evening it out. It's kind of a similar purple to the other ones, though a little bit different. Definitely not as bright. It's way tinier. It has no chrome on the back of it either, so it doesn't really, it kind of just illuminates evenly. Still pretty cool, though. I like this one a lot. On to the next one. All right, so this one is super cool. I don't really know if you could see. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it really better. This one has like a lightning inside of it. This is like a lightning tube. This is a Street Glow one. It's really, really cool looking there. You can really see it's got different kind of, that makes it really visible. It doesn't really look like that to the naked eye. There's still more glow, but you can definitely see like the lightning in person a lot better. That is a really cool one right there. Not too big, not too bright, but really, you can make something pretty cool out of that, I would think. I wish I had more of them. I think this is the only one I have like this. But yeah, on to the next one. So here is another Street Glow one that is that same kind of purple as the first two. Actually, it's more, almost more UV. This one might be UV. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. I have a white shirt on, and it's not really reacting to it. Kind of looks UV. Also could just be a really deep purple. But still pretty cool. Not like the first couple of them, but yeah, on to the next one. All right, and this is the last one. Just kind of that classic red neon like you'd see on like an open sign or something. Not too crazy, really simple, but still pretty nice. Nice bright red color. I had a green one too, but for some reason now it's not working. I'm going to see if I can get that going one more time. If not, this will be the last one. And you'll see in a little bit if I get it going or not. All right, so here's the green one. As you can see, extremely bright color, really deep. As you can see, it's that all the way through as well. That's the good thing about neon is that it's all uniform lighting. For comparison, I have an LED lightsaber tube here, kind of the same, concept. LED tubes that simulate neon look like this. And as you can see, there are breaks in here. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but there definitely are spots where it's dimmer. On the neon, it's all straight. You can also see how much brighter the neon is actually than the lightsaber. I know the lightsaber isn't necessarily made to light things up. There are brighter ones too you can get. This is a Disney one actually. But still, it kind of shows how bright neon really is. So yeah, that does it for the collection. Now, I will be back again for something else. And here is all of them lit up. Pretty cool. We got them all going. A little wide angle view. I don't have them tied in really the safest way, but for a little bit it works. Let's see if we can down this a little bit. You can get that idea. Yeah, that one in the middle there, that's the lava one actually. That's a series that they had that looked like that. All different colors you can get. But yeah, they look pretty dang cool. I have a couple other ones somewhere that I can't find now that are similar to this, but a little bit different. But they do kind of the same thing. They move. And I got to see if I can find those. But yeah, these are what I got. Pretty cool. You don't really see these a lot anymore. Usually they break and people just throw them out. But these ones are in perfect condition. So thanks for watching, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe if you'd like to see more.